everybody, I'm back. So it is 1:05. This is my first meal of the day. I went for my workout today. Today was a cardio, 20-minute cardio day. So I did the elliptical. I did like a hit on the elliptical where it had like mountain peaks, and then it would go back down with you to base level for 20 minutes. Ooh, Lord. Y'all, I done cooked. I'm still sweating. It takes me a long time to dry off. But, sorry for being so rude. My name is Lashawnterry. Welcome in. If you're new here, my name is Lashawnterry. Click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know when I upload with my lazy behind. So, I started to do Body for Life. And today is day 4. So I started off with upper body. The next day is a 20-minute cardio. Then the day after that is legs, which I did yesterday. Then today is cardio, and tomorrow is upper body, and then Saturday is cardio. So in every week, you're gonna have 3 days of a 20-minute cardio, which consists of whatever you want it to be. But I like to do HIIT because it just helps you to keep going, you know, and build your muscles and your strength and your stamina. So that's what I do. And so next week, it'll switch. I will start off with legs first, cardio, upper body, cardio, legs, cardio, then you switch again. So that's how it goes. So we'll see how it's gonna go. It's a 12-week workout plan. I'm just doing the workout plan. I no longer follow fat-free anything anymore and carbs. So that was the eating plan where you do protein and carbs. That's the old way. This is a way of life for me that I have to follow with the amount of inflammation and things going on in my body. So I got 6 eggs right here with a slice of Havarti cheese. And my coffee made a comeback. I got my heavy cream right here. You like my little spoon? So I'm gonna pour in my coffee into my bottle, and I'll be right back. So I made me an iced coffee. Here's my coffee. I make it like I normally would make it. Go back and watch some of my other videos of how I make my coffees. They all tend to differ. So yeah. At some point today, I'm gonna go out for a 30-minute walk at some point. So that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to get my workout in and then go for like anywhere from a 10 to 30-minute walk. We in the middle of the summer, and although I'm not in Arizona where the heat is just off the charts, it's still hot. My body is adjusting to this new workout. I haven't lifted weights in years. I did do bands during COVID, and I did join Vasa Gym, but I haven't been to Vasa Gym in years. So again, I haven't lifted weights in some time. And so my body is just adjusting. Girl, y'all, I hurt from the freaking shoulders down. You hear me? So I'm pushing through it. I ain't gonna stop. We ain't gonna stop. We pushing through. So I'm gonna go eat my breakfast before it get cold, or my brunch, and I'll be back. Okay, y'all, this is my food. I heated it up, and then I just sliced up the chicken and the burger patty. So this is gonna be my biggest meal. In my coffee, I decided to add a keto chow for some more protein and fat in the caramel macchiato, so it'll pair well. This is my heavy cream that I have going to pour into my coffee afterwards. So I just have to blend everything up. I have an egg right here to put in there. And then what you see right here is ketchup. And this is Primal Kitchen's ketchup. It's organic and unsweetened, and it actually tastes pretty good. I like their steak sauce as well. So you see no sugar or anything in here. So I'm gonna eat, and I'm gonna make my coffee. And then after I drink my coffee, I'm gonna go for my 20 to 30-minute walk. So I'll be back. Hey, happy hump day, everybody. We're almost at the end of the week. So I'm bringing y'all, I'm just about to break my fast. It's 2:35. And here I got some shredded beef with some peppers and onions, some sliced up steak. I got my one peach. I took my apple cider vinegar. Already it's like an apple cider vinegar shot. You pour it in a teaspoon or a tablespoon into some water, and I just down it. And then I got my purity coffee. In this coffee is some butterscotch flavored keto chow, 1 duck egg, and 1 tablespoon of butter blended up. And I will drink this after I eat my food. So I eat my food first, just this, and then I eat my peaches and drink my coffee. And then these are my digestive enzyme pills. In case some of y'all are new here, I did have my gallbladder out in January, and so I have to take those to keep my stomach settled, or I guess dry up some of the bowel. I don't know, y'all. Anywho, today's workout was upper body, and Lord, I hate upper body. With Body for Life, you do your whole upper body in the one sitting. It's not a split where you do back and buys one day, chest and triceps another day. This is the whole upper body, and for each part, like you got chest, triceps, biceps, back, you do 60 reps. Yes, 60 of each one. So you do, I'll screenshot the form and you'll see how it goes. But for each one, for chest, you're doing 60. For biceps, you're doing 60. For triceps, you're doing 60. So that's how it goes. And yeah, so I busted out today. Today is actually the first day I would say I'm not feeling drained and no energy and just hurt. So maybe that creatine is doing something. But I did take my creatine with my seltzer water. I drink that during my workout. And that's it. So let me go sit down and eat, and I'll get back with y'all later. Bye. Hello. Happy Monday, everybody. Happy Monday. So I just came from my workout probably like 30 minutes ago. I'll come back. I'm not doing the Body for Life for right now. I switched to a workout that is full body twice a week. It's a program. I don't want my food to get cold, so I'll talk to y'all about it later. But my scale also came in from Amazon today, so I'm now able to weigh my food out. So this is 7-point-something ounces of short rib. I cut it off the bone. This is 4 duck eggs, and then I got 1 small peach, or 1 medium-sized peach. And then my protein coffee, I just put a duck egg in here and blended it up. For those who can't do milk, just put an egg in your coffee and blend it up. And you don't have to do milk. You don't even taste it. So this is what I got for now. Today was a full body day. The program that I'm on is the pre-set workout to get you ready for the real workout. So with this program, you do 1 body part. You do one exercise for each body part. And most of them, you only do 2 sets. So you do 2 sets of 12 to 16. And then 1 or 2 of them is just like 1 set. So that's what I'm doing right now. So it's full body workout. I got a nice little pump and a nice little sweat. I ain't gonna sit up here and lie. So I'm thinking I'm gonna like this, but let's get through the week and see how it goes. So I'll be back. You know, I don't want to put another thing in my mouth. But as you can see, I got 1 egg left. And 1 piece, this is beef ribs. I cut it off the bone. I have to get my protein in because I only eat twice a day. I like to work out fasted, and twice a day works for me. But when you do like a fatty beef, you be sitting here like after 2-3 bites like, That's why I stopped doing ribeyes and I started doing like New York steak strip or T-bone or porterhouse. If you can find those cuts, the T-bone and porterhouse, because they're not as fatty and you don't get sickeningly full or meat aversion. Like I had meat aversion to beef short ribs and stuff. But I'm gonna have to choke this down right here. I eat my protein first before I drink my coffee or eat anything else because that's the most important. And I need to hit my protein goal or get close to my protein goal for the day. And so I want to gain muscle. I don't want to lose muscle, and you need to hit your protein if you're trying to build muscle and lose fat. So I'll be back, y'all.